What's that?
I read out in the Legos.
I can't hear you.
You read out in the Legos.
Can you say it again?
You read out in the Legos.
Am I laying down in the Legos?
Yeah.
Yes, I am. Ooh. Let's talk about Legos. So I wanted to talk about Legos today because Legos have been a really fun part of our family life. Our oldest son showed a real liking towards Legos from a young age. So we started off with like Duplo Legos, and then by accident, I ordered online the regular Legos, thinking that I ordered a Duplo set. But anyways, we got this Lego Classic set. It was a small box. And it turned out to be his favorite toy. So we played with those Legos over and over and over. And throughout the years, we have amassed quite a collection of Legos, which don't stay in the sets. So they're not like, you build the Legos according to the instructions and they stay like that. With our kids, they build the Legos and then they tear them apart. I try to build them back together for them. And then they take them apart again, they make decorations on them, and they just get all sorts of creative with the Legos. So, instead of fighting it, I've decided to embrace it. Yes, embracing the creativity. Wait. James, can I see this? All right, now, this is a totally unique creation that my son has made just now. And he ran up to me because he's playing with the Legos right now, and they want to be picked up. But I'm not sure if I want to put them on camera just yet. But I did want to talk about Legos and talk about the creativity. One of the things that I really like about Legos is that it not only helps them with their creativity, but it also helps them develop the dexterity in their fingers. So our kids, neither of them are 7 years old yet, and they say that children's hands are not fully developed until they're around 7 years old. So there was a time that I tried to teach my kids how to write, and I was getting frustrated at the slow progress and how they couldn't hold the pencils, even when they were fat pencils and fat crayons. We would make progress, and then it seemed that we would regress. And so I just said, you know what? Forget about it. I don't really care about writing. They're going to learn how to write. I'll make sure of that. But for now, let's find ways to exercise their fingers, to work on their dexterity, other than just writing. And in came Legos, and they were a godsend. So I highly recommend that if you don't have any Legos, to go out and find some. You don't have to buy them new. You should be able to get online in whatever country you're in and find used Lego sets at a much cheaper price. And so grab your hands on some Legos. The great thing about used Legos is new Legos become used Legos very, very quickly. So just get over buying brand new Legos and get some used ones to get your hands on them and give them over to the kids and let their imagination run wild. And even if they're not like being creative at the beginning, that's okay. That's okay. You can find videos on YouTube where they'll actually make all sorts of different things. They're kind of like tutorials. They're like builds. So check it out. There's also websites where you can download instruction booklets in case you've bought some used ones and you need some instructions. One of the websites that does this is called rebrickable.com. So check it out, rebrickable.com. I believe they have the instructions in digital format, free to download for every single set that ever comes out, because that's kind of like their thing. So yeah, get your hands on some Legos. I promise you won't regret it. Unless you step on them barefoot, and then that really hurts. But what are you gonna do?